Potato curry with green beans, really simple, Indian style, delicious, vegetarian, healthy, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Greek. So a quick look at what we're using today. These are roughly equal amounts, about 2 cups each. Green beans, tomato, potato. I've peeled the potatoes and you can see exactly how I've cut them. 1 cup of onion. Fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, fabulous. If you can't get them, nothing really replaces them. You might better get dried curry leaves where you live. Fresh chili, up to the amount you put in, and I'm going to put mine in whole like that. I've just cut the nib off. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and then the big 4. 1 teaspoon each, turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin. Let's get moving. So I'm using coconut oil today. You could be using a different oil, it's entirely up to you, but coconut I think is quite nice. Just going to melt that down. We're on and above medium heat. So let's get going. We're going to start off by dropping in that 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, our curry leaves, and then we're going to go in with our potato and our green beans. Like I say, above medium heat. Let's just go for about 4 minutes, stirring often. Just want to give these a bit of a head start. Okay, beautiful. Just giving them a nice bit of a head start. We're now going to add that 1 cup of onion. I've sliced mine, cut it small if you like, it's up to you. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and our fresh chili to taste. And like I say, if you wanted, chop that chili much smaller. Okay, we're going to go for another 3 minutes, again, above medium heat, stirring often. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Wonderful stuff. Spices. So we're going to go a teaspoon each. Always call this the big 4. Turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. If you don't have the individual spices, you could just use a curry powder, although I think the separate spices are much better. Little mix in there. And then very simply we're going to add in our tomato. So the beans, the tomato and the potato, very roughly equal amounts, like 2 cups of each. Now we're going to stay on this same heat again. This time we're going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes. What we're hoping for is those tomatoes to break down. They may give off some moisture depending on the type of tomato that you've used. We've pretty much done this. Very, very simple. So as you can see, I've done really well with my tomato there. If you didn't, what you could do is add a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit. And that's beautiful. The potatoes are cooked nicely. Off goes the heat. Cilantro or coriander, or fresh mint maybe, could be really nice in this. Little stir, check it for salt. You've done it, it's beautiful, it's easy. Beautiful, really, really simple, tasty, green beans and potatoes. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.